Hello, in this video I will show how to replace cable inside the cable management or cable jack tray. This is the 8x8 size cable. Okay, and this we got different block. If we want to replace the internal cable, what we do is to remove this maybe 3 or 4 block as a section. Okay, just press it heavily like this. Okay, because it disassemble. And this is a new cable I will put inside the tray. On the first segment, I organize the cable exist. Maybe in this direction would be better. Okay, to make sure the cable was fastened and it won't block the cable goes through. And then the other one. Sometimes we use this tweezer to drag it. Okay, there's cable pass through. For the broken red dot, it may be the cable may be broken somewhere of the cable chain. You can just break the chain there and connect the cable or replace the cable there and connect the cable back. Reconnect the cable tray is very simple. Just push it. It's done. That's okay. Thank you.